Opo. Teka, Tito Alon, may tanong ako eh.
May tanong ka na naman.
Opo.
Ano na naman tanong mo?
Kasi kanina nabanggit mo, pag narinig ka na lumang kanta, tapos naalala na yung nililigawan mo, girlfriend mo, ex-girlfriend mo, ganon. Pag naalala mo, nalulungkot ka ta?
Hindi na ako nalulungkot kasi ano na yun eh. Past is past, sabi nga nila. Ano na lang yun, natutuwa ka na lang, naaalala mo, old memories, sabi nga nila.
Old memories.
Old memories na lang yun, Nicolo. Kumbaga, naalala mo yung mga tao na involved, kung medyo romantic man yung naalala mo, kung may romantic background man, naalala mo lang yung tao, hindi mo na nararamdaman.
Ay, kinanta yan ng Journey.
Journey?
Opo.
Yung kanta, yung banda na Journey, Arnel Pineda.
Opo.
Hindi nga.
Opo.
Oh, sige, kantahin mo nga. Yun yung naalala mo yung girl, pero hindi mo na naalala yung feelings mo noon.
Opo.
Journey
Opo.
Oh, sige, subukan nga natin yan. Meron palang kantang Journey na ganyan.
Highway run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round. You're on my mind. Restless hearts sleep alone tonight. Sending all my love along the wire. They say that the road ain't no place to start a family. Right down the line, it's been you and me. And loving the music, man, ain't what it's supposed to be. Oh girl, you stand by me. I remember the girl, but I don't remember the feeling anymore.
Parang mali yung lyrics mo.
Tana! Circus life under the big-top earth. We all need the clowns to make us smile. Through station time, always another show. Wondering where I am, lost without you. And being apart ain't easy on this holiday. Two strangers learn to fall in love again. I get the joy of rediscovering you. Oh girl, you stand by me. I remember the girl, but I don't remember the feeling anymore.
Parang mali yung lyrics mo eh.
Hindi, tana yun.
Yung kinakanta mo, hindi naman Journey yung I remember the girl, but I don't remember the... hindi, ano yun eh, Joey Albert yun. Ito yun pakinggan mo. Yan yun.
Yan yun.
Yan yun. Today I heard them play that song again. An old familiar string from way back when. every note and every line. It's always been a favorite song of mine.
It used to haunt me so some years ago. Reminds me of the girl I used to know. And although the melody lives on, the memories and the girl are all but gone. And while the song still brings that certain glow, and the words still sing up, but I know it isn't quite the way it was before. I remember the girl, but I don't remember the feeling anymore.
Yun, Nicolo, hindi yung Journey. Joey Albert yan.
Pwede na ng Tito Anlo eh.
Anong pwede?
Pwede na nan yan eh, combined.
Paano pag naging combined Journey tapos Joey Albert?
Pwede na Journey Albert.